And the thing is, I think this is the problem, because obviously before it kind of starts, and the motherboard with the circuit or and the chip and all that, it's working. And after something here charge, or I don't know, gets heated, it just start to fail. So I suppose this is the problem, but because I heard something behind the screen, well, I don't know. I don't think it has like another board behind the screen, because I don't know. Let's see. Now what I'm looking right now, it's any capacitor that it's like pumped up or swallowed. Yeah, I don't see any of that, so that really sucks, because I kind of like hope it will be an easy fix. It still smells like burnt capacitor, so okay, so this will go like for a long time.